everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Trinh, we will be unboxing the Type S jump starter and portable power bank with wireless charging. So I got this product from Costco for $59.99, $59.99 from Costco. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this product out, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the Type S jump starter and portable power bank with wireless charging. And here you can see the image of this product in action. Here you can see that this features wireless charging. This has a 8,000 milliamp battery. This has USB port, including Type-C. This has safe and smart protection. And this has a 3-light flashlight. And here this can power up 12-volt batteries. And you can see the jump starter itself, also a power bank. Here on the bottom right corner, these are the type of examples of what this battery can jumpstart. Let's take a look on the side of the box, which features wireless charging for compatible electronic devices. And here, this portable power supply is for mobile phones, tablets, notebooks, and gadgets. And let's take a look on the other side of the box. On the other side of the box, this has wireless QI wireless charging, USB Type-C, like I mentioned, USB 2.4 amp to power up your devices, and here are the technical specifications. And here's what is included: Jumpstart power bank, jumper cables with safe and smart protection, USB car charger, USB cable, and a case. And here's the bottom part of the box, which shows the barcode if you want to look this up online, and a size dimension of this product. And yeah, so let's take a look on the back side of the box. Here's the back side of the box. Powerful capabilities for jump-starting 12-volt cars, easy wireless charging. And here at the bottom shows the features of the power bank. And here what it comes with. And yeah, so lots of information, but love the presentation. And with that being said, let's finally unbox this thing. I have my X-Acto knife ready to go. All we have to do is cut through the tape that seals the box. And like I said, this is an unboxing video, meaning we're gonna check out what is inside. For those who are here thinking to know if you want to learn how to jumpstart a car, this video is not it, but I'll provide a link in the description or and also in the comment section on how to jumpstart your car using this product. So once I pull this out, here it is. Nothing inside in the box, and it is well protected in this cardboard case. Here, as you can see, here you have the carrying case. Love the quality. And here's the power bank itself in its plastic casing. Let's remove it. And here's a closer look of the power bank, Type S power bank. This has 8,000 milliamps. And from the feel of it, first impression is that this is well built. And first off, let's take a look at the carrying case. So let's open up the carrying case. This is a zipper. Let's unzip this thing, see what we have inside. And what we have inside is, what's this? Here is your product code. You want to register this product. And here's the most important thing in this video is the user guide. So if you're not interested in this user guide, you can always fast forward or skip ahead. But since this user guide is important on how to operate this product, here it is. And you can always pause the video if you want for those who are interested of reading on how to use this product and learn how to use to jumpstart this, how to use this power bank on how to jumpstart your vehicle. So here's the information on jumpstarting, the most important detail. And here's some more information. And like I said, I will provide a link in the comment section below and also in the description on how to use this product to jumpstart your vehicle. And here's our warranty, and here's our troubleshooting guide. And yeah, so that's it for that. And here are your jumper cables. They are good quality, great quality, doesn't feel cheap. And here's your warning label, and it is important to read the warning label, the caution label that is, because the red, which is one you put into your battery first, is a positive and the black is negative. And you do not want to make contact like for the cables to get in contact with each other. And here's the polarity production circuit status. And you will be needing this to jumpstart your vehicle. And yeah. So we have more things in the pouch. And nothing else inside. And yeah, and the other two things that you will get is this USB adapter for your car and this USB cable in order to charge up your battery, power bank battery, that is. And here's a closer look at the power bank. And you can see there's a power button, and here's your lighting indicators. And here's the back side. And here's the flashlight. Here is your port for your cables. Here's your output and input cables, including the USB and Type-C. And yeah, so let me read the user guide and we can proceed forward. So I read the user guide and I know how to use this thing. If you want to use the wireless charging, make sure you turn it on first and make sure you have your device ready to go. And you can see it works. You can wireless charge your phone or other compatible cell phone. And you can see that these lighting indicators, according to the user guide, you need to have 3 lights. This has 2. The 2 blue lights, that means less than 50%. You want to use the flashlight. Make sure you hold the power button for 3 seconds, which turns on the flashlight. It is super bright. And tap on the power button. You want to change the lighting effects. And tap another to have this type of lighting effect, and tap again to turn it off. So that's about it for this power bank. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh, and I'll see you on the next one.